Welcome back. It is week 2 of our agentic process automation training camp. I am so excited to kick off week 2 with you as we build on the foundations that we established last week. Now, hopefully, you completed all of last week's training and also did the team exercise. Because this week, we're going to be focusing on building familiarity with the skills that are used by AI agents, those essential capabilities that will ultimately power your agentic process automation solutions. Now, before we dive into this week's content, I want to start with a quick recap of what we covered in week 1. We started the week with an introduction into agentic process automation and some of the basic concepts and terminology. We wanted to make sure everyone had a firm and equal understanding of these shared terms and this shared language as we discuss these new capabilities. We also explored the APA Enablement Framework, which provides us with a structured format for implementing AI-powered automation solutions within your organization. We examined different types of problems that you can solve with agentic process automation and discussed implementing human-in-the-loop design patterns, which is a critical consideration for production deployments. Finally, you and your team hopefully did our weekly team exercise and discussion where you assessed your current capabilities through our team activity. That foundation is exactly what you need to move forward into week 2, where we're going to start to get hands-on with the specific AI capabilities that bring agentic automation to life. So let's jump into this week's topics. This week, we're focusing on a few key areas that will help you build familiarity with AI agents and their skills. First, we're going to explore designing effective prompts for AI using the CoSTAR framework. This is a powerful approach that will accelerate and standardize your prompt engineering approaches and transform how you create prompts that are used for AI skills. We'll then dive into some specific AI capabilities, things like classifying data with AI agents, which enables us to turn unstructured business data into meaningful categorizations, or analyzing sentiment with AI agents to identify and categorize the emotions in, let's say, customer communications. We're also going to look at extracting named entities with generative AI to find and structure key business information from unstructured text. We're also going to cover testing AI accuracy with F1 scores, giving you a practical method to evaluate your AI outputs. And finally, we're going to explore transforming data with AI agents, showing you how to convert business information into any structured format needed to power your automation workflows. Now, you know that I am all about how to get the most juice from the squeeze. I thought this was a really clever icon. Just me? Okay. Anyway, to get the most out of this week's learning, I recommend the following. Number 1, make sure that you're practicing that CoSTAR framework in every prompt you create, every test that you run. This consistent structure will accelerate your development and improve your outcomes. Practice with each capability that you learn using different data or tweaks to your prompt. The more relevant your practice is, the more valuable the skills will be that you develop as you take this to your own environment and start building agentic solutions. Like we talked about with week 1, this is designed to be taken as a team, so make sure to set some time aside to meet with your team to discuss practical applications for these capabilities. There's a discussion guide and a team activity this week in our game plan, which will help you to structure those conversations around where your team has strengths and where you may have some gaps that need to be addressed. We're going to create a competency matrix. Ton of fun. And finally, test, measure, and iterate on all of your prompts. Use the F1 scoring techniques that you're going to learn this week to evaluate the effectiveness and make continuous improvements to the skills that you create. Like I mentioned last week, we are absolutely here to make sure that you are successful. So if you have technical questions or implementation challenges, be sure to visit our Automation Anywhere community forums, where you can ask detailed questions about the CoSTAR framework or other AI skills and capabilities that you're learning this week. This also gives you the opportunity to connect with fellow developers who may be working on similar use cases or have discovered effective prompt patterns that get repeatable, high-quality results that they've decided to share. Speaking of which, consider how you might share the lessons that you're learning and the results that you're getting in our community. The community learns faster when we share both successes and challenges together, so I hope you can be a part of it. Look, I am genuinely excited to see how you apply these AI agent skills to your own automation challenges. Week 2 is where the technical foundations from week 1 start to come alive with practical capabilities that will absolutely transform your approach to agentic automation. Good luck with this week's content. I think it's a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see what you create with these new skills. Thanks for watching. Enjoy this week's content, and I'll see you in the next one.